Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share the recipe of brownies, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe and switch on notifications. Like this you won't miss new easy recipes. And if you like cooking, like this video, and obviously if you have any questions, ask them in comments, I will answer all of them. This recipe is really easy. Mix 3 eggs using a mixer and then add 150 grams of sugar and a package of vanilla sugar. Mix again. Or you can mix them all together straight away. Then add 125 grams of melted butter. After this, you can already add 125 grams of melted dark chocolate. And now mix everything again. By the way, do you know that my Instagram is filled with cake decorating ideas? I will leave the link below for you. And if you prefer Facebook, I will leave the link for Facebook page too. And now it's the time to add 30 grams of cacao powder. After mixing it properly, add a pinch of salt. Straight after, add 115 grams of flour. I'm adding it in 2 steps to make sure the flour is not flying around. And after mixing it again, you can pour the dough into the baking pan. Bake the dough for 30-35 minutes on 180 degrees. When it's ready, let it cool down a bit and then cut it into several pieces. The flavor is amazing and I'm sure it is going to be eaten within minutes, but if you don't have enough people to eat it straight away, you can freeze it. And before you see the final result, I would like to remind you that I'm not only a baker but also a card designer. And if you ever need an invitation card template for organizing your birthday party, you can always get it on Etsy. And if you live in Switzerland, the invitation cards and also greeting cards can be delivered to you in physical format. I will also leave the links for Etsy and second Instagram account for you below the video. And now have a look how great the result is. I do hope you will enjoy them. Enjoy baking them and then eating them with a cup of tea. Hope you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching it and see you in the next one.